Hello, you guys. Ooh, sorry if that clap is loud, but I am super excited. My brother is receiving his doctorate, so I'm going to be flying out this afternoon. But first, I'm looking a bit raggedy these days. So I'm going to hop in the shower, come back out, and show you guys my quick fix to look a little more presentable. Be right back. Alrighty, so what's up with me and the clapping? Alright, shower is done. I'm already feeling at least 10 times more presentable. Here is my quick fix. The tools. We have clippers. Don't be scared. Mirror. Scissors. And a comb. I'm just using my beard comb. And then when we get to it, some beard balm. Now, this little step will make a tremendous difference in what it is. Simply cleaning up around your ears. We're going to use the clippers. And everyone has a preference in regards to the length that they use on the sides. With me, this is around a 4, and up here, I don't know, 6 or a 7. But with that being said, this is a 4, so when I clean this up, I generally put on a number 2, which is a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters to be specific. All right, so here we go. I'm simply just going to, let me grab my mirror real quick. I'm simply just gonna go up by the sideburns, not too high, because I don't want there to be a disconnect. So here we go. And we are simply just going up and around the ear. Really easy cleanup. And again, I don't want to look too put together. Wait, does that make sense? I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard, so that's why I'm keeping this to a very simple cleanup. It's just for my brother's graduation, no big deal. All right, so now we're switching to the other side. Simple cleanup. Awesome. Now that the sideburns have been cleaned up, and again, just this simple tip right here makes a tremendous amount of difference. Now that the sideburns are cleaned up with the clippers, I'm going to head and grab the scissors and just clean up a little bit more up and around my ears. Again, have my clippers. These right here are the beard struggle clippers. I think you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? All right, so I'm just going up around the ears. And what I'm looking to do here is make sure that I don't have any hair falling over the ears. Alrighty, that side is done. Time to go to the other side. Alright, so I think that's good to go right there. Alright, around the ears, all cleaned up. Now we're going to go to the top of my hair. I'm keeping this 2-1 right here, and I'm just going to clean a little length off the top of my hair so that it doesn't kind of just lay flat. I think that makes sense. Check out the length. I have the guard on, and let's see here. So just a tad bit off the top, and I'm going to keep some of the length up here, but I'm just going to go a tad bit shorter in the back. So, okay, now that I've cut the desired length off of the front, now I'm going to go ahead and shift gears and kind of pull the hair up from the back and go a little bit shorter. All right. Essentially, I'm kind of clasping at the scalp and pinning my fingers together and just shaving what hair is exposed above my fingers while still keeping that number 2 on. That's good to go right there. Maybe, you know what, I might go a tad bit shorter on the length in the front. I really don't have to. I don't mind this length whatsoever, but I guess, you know, for more footage, might as well do this. So again, grabbing at the scalp. Now with the front, I'm just coming up just a tad bit more because I want the length longer in the front of my head, my bangs, if you will. There we go. Okay, here. Now that we're finished cutting the top of our hair and I've cut around my ears, I'm going to go ahead and grab some product, put it in my hair, rub it through, and then style. Quite quick. In regards to product, this is going to be, it's more or less 2 birds, 1 stone. I'm going to be using my Beard Struggle Beard Balm in my hair. Works wonders and it smells good. So here we go. And as far as the amount of product, basically just dipping your finger in and less than a dime size. And you just go ahead, well, at least I just kind of just rub it through my hair. And again, like I was saying before, I like to look a little more natural, so that's why I just use kind of a matte finished balm. Put it through my hair, rub it around, and oh, voila. You know, I think that's pretty much good to go. Quite easy. Don't even have to use a comb, though I do have a comb for the beard. But when it comes to my hair, I just throw some product in real quick, brush it around, and it's golden. But yeah, so again, I hope this helped out in regards to making yourself look a little more presentable, a little more put together for any events that you might have and you don't have time to run to a barber and get your hair cut. So quick steps: go ahead, get your hair wet, grab a set of clippers, put the attachment on, do around your ears, get the scissors, then go around your ears. Then with that attachment still on, put your fingers through your hair, just cut away, put the beard balm in your hair, style, done. Now going into the beard, I'm just gonna use the balm, put it through, again, just put the balm in my hands, probably less than a dime size, rub it through my hands and just rub it through my beard. My beard already looked pretty good when I was coming out of the shower, but using the balm will help maintain the form so that when I do go outside, the humidity won't affect it and it won't turn into a big poof ball. So the beard balm is merely to maintain proper shape and not get all frizzy. Yeah, so I hope that this helped you out. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you do, or if you did like this tutorial, there's gonna be more, so go ahead and subscribe. And maybe even ring that little bell for notifications. But yeah, all in all, good times. Super excited to go see my brother for his graduation ceremony because he's receiving his doctorate. Scary world, the fact that my twin brother is actually a doctor now. I don't know what to think about this. We'll think positive. But yeah, cheers.